my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. La 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 la. Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. Life is so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal. I can't steer the wheel, cause this drive it kills. And it gives me chills. A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. on top.
Yo,
Yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you
Welcome. Can you hear me nicely, guys? I think we can start. I just want to confirm if you can hear me nicely. Can you guys hear me nicely? Can you hear me nicely, guys? Just want to confirm if you can hear me nicely, guys. Just comment if you can hear me nicely so that we can start. Can you hear me nicely, guys? Okay, it's fine. If you can hear me, we can now proceed. There are no echoes. I think the audio will be just fine. Okay, it's fine. So we're gonna start with welcome. So it's DC for those who do not know me. So this is a live session where I'll be analyzing, giving some signals in booming crash, jump, volatility, and also step index. So today our focus is gonna be on boom. boom and crash. That's what we're gonna be focusing on. We'll only be focusing on boom and crash signals. So I'm gonna give some of these free signals here live on this platform. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to comment and tell us where you're watching us from and what you think about this live, and which instrument we should look at in our next live trading. So what we're gonna be doing is this. We're gonna start with the boom 1000. So there's something interesting that is taking place in boom 1000. Something interesting. Okay, let's start from the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour and see if we can find something there. Okay, for the greater part of this year, we can see boom was in an uptrend. It was moving up until it reached this point, and for some time, I think let's say specific dates. Starting from the 21st of December, we saw that boom 1000 started to drop. It was now moving downwards, and this is what has been taking place. So there's a clear sign that boom 1000 is moved from an uptrend, is now moving to a downtrend. So this is what I'm seeing in boom 1000. So we have our buyers. So in boom 1000, currently we are looking for sales. Buying, yes, we can buy when the price is making a pullback, but the overall trend is now bearish. The price is now moving down. So we are looking for opportunities where we're gonna be selling in boom 1000. I think the bullish trend ended, and now there's a likelihood that price is now going to move downwards. And we can see there's this we have this pattern where price is there's this upward sloping trend line and this one downward sloping trend line. It's like a wedge. The price is moving in that fashion. We can see how many times this wedge pattern was respected. We can see price came to this particular level. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are expecting that price has to reach this order block. At the same time, we can see here, we can't see it nicely because it's a 1 hour order block. It's a 1 hour order block that we have at this particular price. So if I go to the 1 hour, you'll be able to see what I'm seeing in boom 1000. And this is offering a very good selling opportunity. What we can see on the 1 hour chart is this. Okay, let me just try to do this. So my assumption is this: where price is currently, we have this 1 hour order block. This is the order block that I'm talking about. And yesterday, I saw this yesterday that price was supposed to move up. Yes, there was a little bit of a drop, and then price then started to move upwards. I'm now anticipating that this order block, this order block that is on top has been mitigated. We can see price moved upwards to and use this order block. So this one is the order block that I'm currently focusing on. So what I'm seeing in boom 1000 is this. One, we have a bearish order block, the 1 hour order block, and we also have this trend line here. So sometimes when it comes to this trend line, price can overshoot or can come short, like what happened here. It's too fine. So if you're going to be trading boom 1000, this is what I'm seeing. We want price to come to this order block where price is already on this order block, and we're just going to place our stop loss just above this this level. So our stop loss is going to be placed above that level, and we're going to use this order block that we have here to sell and come downwards. So this is what I'm seeing in boom 1000. I saw this yesterday, that price was supposed to move upwards and come to this particular level, and I even shared these signals in the in our WhatsApp group and also Telegram. I shared this this signal. So this is what I'm seeing, and price is supposed to drop and come to this particular bullish order block. We have in a 1 hour bullish order block that we have at this particular level, and we are also going to use this lower trend line that is coming here. So with my strategies, what I've seen is this: if you're going to be using price action, if you're going to be using smart money concept, it still works perfectly. Smart money concept, price action, your indicators, they will still work perfectly. So in today's tutorial, I want to see if this is true. What I discovered is this: when smart money concept came, it had a big impact. It was very, very effective. But does it mean that price action no longer works? Does it mean that indicator based no longer works? What I've discovered is this: I went through the different phrases where we're using these different indicators. Smart money, if you understand smart money, but it's a little bit difficult, you can use smart money. But in boom and crash, what I've seen is that only price action is more effective. Price action is more effective. You can draw your trend lines, you can draw your support and resistance, you can identify chart patterns. That one really works in boom and crash. So, and also some indicator based strategies, they are also effective. So what I'm seeing now is this: we're gonna be selling from this order block, so this is the signal, and how are we going to be trading it? So that's what I'm gonna explain now. So we wanna sell from this. We wanna take a short position from this particular area, and our target is gonna be here. But we're gonna target this. This will be we're gonna target this previous low here, this previous low. Although we know that there's a possibility that price can reach this particular level. But for now, our final TP is gonna be on this particular level. Then for our stop loss, I'm gonna just place it just above this previous swing high. That's just above this level. So it's just crazy. You can see the risk to reward ratio. We have a 1:3 to 3.5, which is amazing. So this is what I'm seeing in boom 1000. So this is the signal. Let me just give you the precise values. So you can sell boom 1000 now, and these are going to be your values. So for your target profit, the ultimate profit, okay, I'm gonna give you the other part. Okay, let's just make it 13600. Let's just have round figures. 13600. Okay, so this is going to be our take profit, and then for our stop loss, we're gonna have 14050 as our stop loss. 14050, like this. So these are our stop loss. This is our what? This is our stop loss, and this is our take profit. So this is how you can trade boom and crash and make a lot of money by using this signal. So this is the first signal that we're gonna be looking at. So I just want these parameters so that I can share it with my VIP members. So we want to sell boom 1000, but I'm gonna show you something that you also need to do. Boom 1000, we wanna sell it now, and our SL is gonna be 130. Let me check. Our ASL for the stop loss is 14050. 14050. 14050 is our ASL. Then our TP, it's gonna be So with the ultimate TP, it's 13600. 13600. So this is our stop loss and our TP, but we're gonna break down the what we want to break down. We want to break down the TP. The TP. So after prices moved in our favor, so this is gonna be our first take profit here. We're gonna take our first take profit at this order block here, which is if you look at it, it's almost the amount of risk, about 72% of the price. So at this particular level, if price moves in your favor and it hits this level, you're gonna take your first TP. So what I will normally do is this. Assuming that I'm gonna open a lot size of 1, I will close 0.5 of the profit when price reaches this first take profit, which is this particular level. We wanna take our first take profit at this recent low here, this one. So let me just round it off. So so we want to take our first profit at 35, like this. So this is where we want to take our first take profit. So our first take profit is gonna be that one, and then when price reaches this particular level again here, we also want to take our take profit, and the final take profit will be this one. So it's always important to break down your take profits. So I think the last take profit is a little bit lower than this one, so we also need to adjust that one. So the first take profit is gonna be this one. This is gonna be our first take profit, which is 38.13. Okay, let me just copy it. So with TP1, we want to break. We want to break down our TP. This is what we want. We want to break down our TP. So our TP, with the first TP, this is gonna be our first TP. So it's 13,835. That's our first TP. Then the second TP, TP2, is gonna be TP1. TP2 is this one. Just gonna round it off. Let's go to 30 and see. Okay, it's fine. 30 is okay. So it's 13,730. TP2 13,730. Okay, then TP3, I need to adjust the final TP because I saw that slightly above. We can take 13,610. 13,610. Okay, 13,610. So what I discovered is this: if you're going to take 5 candles, 3 candles, you're not going to make money. Money in booming crash lies in taking long trades, being in a trade for a very long time, especially when we have such a setup like this one. Even if you have a small account, you can hold this trade for a very long time. I'm telling you, you'll be able to make money. And honestly speaking, this is what I think. You growing, that's what I do. Growing a $20 account to 500, 300, it's a miracle. But honestly, you need more money so that you can hold if price moves to this level. That's one thing that people do not calculate. You should be in a position to calculate if the signal goes against me. How much am I going to lose? How much am I going to lose? You must be in a in a position to know that. What is my drawdown if the signal doesn't go my way? Because I'm telling you, there's a mistake that people normally do. They're moving from strategies to strategy, from channels to channel, looking for a perfect strategy or a perfect method that they can use or adapt so that they can start trading and making money. There's nothing like that. In trading, the reality is this. You will make losses. Losses are there. You can have a week where you'll be constantly making losses without making any profit. This is the reality of trading. But most people will never tell you, even if after giving out in a strategy, they will say it's 90% accurate, but there's nothing like that. So what you need to do is this: in this game, you need to have a proper risk management in place. So this is what I normally teach when I'm teaching my my mentorship programs. By the way, very soon we are resuming our mentorship program. In I think the first group will start this January, and we are currently waiting for the registration. The registration is still in progress. So if you want to be part of this mentorship program, so what do we normally teach in our mentorship program? We teach price action, we teach smart money concept, we also teach indicator based strategies, and we also have a risk management course where I'll be teaching people how to manage their risk effectively. And what I can also see in Boom 1000 is that I think when the price came to this bearish order block, there was a double top. You can't see it nicely, but I can see that the price made a double top. Maybe if you move to the 15-minute time frame, you'll be able to see this. So this will also confirm, you see this double top. Let me try to show you. Price moved upwards. Okay, let's use this one. Price moved upwards, came down, hit the support level, which is the neckline, came up, and now what do we have? You see, it's almost a double top. If price is able to break below this particular level, this neckline, then we have a confirmation now. So for those who want to trade this with confirmation, you can go to your 50-minute time frame. On your 50-minute time frame, we can see that there's a double top. So what will normally happen is that price will just break this. If it breaks this neckline, this is the neckline, which is a support level on that double top pattern that we have. So we also teach this in our mentorship program. So if price breaks this level, so let's be precise. I want to round off this number. Okay, let's take the one that is above 98. If price breaks 13,898, this particular level, you know that what I said is confirmed. This is now a double top. We have an order block here, and we can see a double top forming here. So if price closes below this 50-minute candle, closes below this price 13,898, I'm telling you, price will then have to drop and move downwards. So you're gonna take your first take profit at this particular level. This one is where you're gonna take your first take profit, 13,835. Then if price moves further down, you take your second take profit at this particular level, and then the final take profit will be at this particular level. So this is what I'm seeing in Boom 1000. This is what I'm seeing in Boom 1000, and we can see it from the. We are trying to align our trade with the overall bias that is there in that market. If you move to the higher time frame, you can see that Boom is now bearish. It is now moving in downwards. It's now moving downwards. So this is what I'm seeing in Boom 1000. So let me quickly check the I can hear you perfectly. Yes, I can hear you. Okay, thank you so much, Gary West. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing in Boom 1000. What do you think about this analysis, guys? I want our lives to be more interactive. What do you see? Do you also see the same thing, or there's something that I actually missed? So with me, this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing in this particular market. This is what is going to likely take place. Okay, so this is the first signal. Let's go to the next one. Which asset do you want us to look at? So in our focus today, we're going to be looking at only boom and crash. We'll be looking at only boom and crash. We are only focusing on boom and crash. So which asset should we look at? Which asset should we look at? Tell me what you think, guys. Which asset should we look at? We are only focusing on boom and crash, and we can see, thank you so much guys for your support. The channel is doing great. There's significant growth. The channel is moving well. I think everything is moving perfectly. Thank you guys for your support. And now we're currently sitting at 7,502 subscribers. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to comment. So Shin said that we should look at crash 500. Okay, so we're gonna look at crash 500. Oh, I forgot to send these TPs, TP2 and TP3. The last one I didn't send it in my VIP. And also I'm gonna share, we have a group that is specifically dedicated for boom and crash. It's a Telegram group where I give free signals. So I took a holiday for some time. I think for a week I wasn't sending any signals because I was spending time with my family. But now we are back, and we'll be sending more of these signals. Okay, so our TP3 was blah 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 blah. We want to look at TP3. It's 13,610. Okay, so this is our last TP. So I think I need to edit this one. Is it possible? Yes. It's 1310. Huh? Okay. So this is what I'm seeing in this. So this is the Telegram that I was talking about. Boom and crash phase signals. I need to share that analysis. Where is this analysis? We are on the 1 hour. So going on the higher time frame, boom and crash, you will not be trading. You trade it just like any ordinary asset. You just trade it like any ordinary asset, which is the ideal. This is where money is. If you really want to make money, try doing this. Trade boom and crash on high time frames. I'm telling you, you will never be disappointed. But getting 5 candles, 3 candles, I know most of you guys like it. You only need one spike to spoil your day. After winning 20 trades, you only need one spike. If it catches you, it takes everything. Especially with boom 1000, it takes a lot of money. So if you want to trade, put more money, trade on high time frame, and relax. Trading like this gives you the liberty to do other things. You don't spend the whole day just looking for your 3 candles or your 2 candles. You just put your trade, your stop losses, then you go, then that's it. Okay, okay, I want to share this. So this is our neckline. So this is our neckline. So no, I wanna put those TP1, I think so. TP1, TP2, something like that. TP1, TP2. So this is TP1, TP1. So there's a possibility, TP1. There's a possibility that price can come to this, it can move and come, like what I highlighted here. It can come to this trend line here. It will move up here, and then it will start reversing. So it can hit the top of the order block here at this particular level, then it will start moving downwards. TP1, TP2. TP3, and that's it. So this is what I'm seeing in this market. Okay, so I just want to share this with so for you to be able to enter this group, what are the requirements? Where I send free signals for booming crash. You just have to subscribe, like and share and comment, send me a screenshot, then I'll send you the link for you to be able to join this this community. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. Okay, so I post free signals in this group. Okay, so let me quickly share Crash 500. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time, guys, on this live. It's not gonna take long. So someone said what? Crash 500. What time frame do you recommend? 15-minute time frame or 1-minute time frame? So with me, this signal, I'm giving it on 1-minute time frame. 1-minute time frame. But if your account is small, go on the 15-minute time frame. Wait for confirmation. The confirmation is gonna come when the price. So I didn't write this. I need to write that. When the price breaks this previous low. So wait for the price to break that previous low, which is this particular level. Wait for price to break this level. So you have a small account but you want to take this signal. What do? Wait for price to break this particular level here. So let me just write it down. If your account is small, wait for confirmation of the double top. There is a double top on M15. The break of the confirmation of the double top, which is the break of the neckline. So when the neckline is broken, you can take yourself from there. And the neckline is on this price. This is the price. So this is what you need to do if your account is small. Okay. Okay, that's the first thing. Then the next one we're gonna be looking at, let me save this, Crash 500. So I think I answered you, Sheen, concerning the time frame. Here we have a very good setup. We have a very good setup in Crash 500. So if you're trading spikes currently, it's gonna be a little bit painful because the price is on a bullish channel. So there's a bullish channel. We have a channel here. Some might say it's a wedge pattern, it's a flag, whatever that you want to call it. But what I can see is that there's a bullish channel. But apart from the bullish channel, what I saw is that price was able to break from this. Okay, let me show you. Price was able to break from this trend line and failed to continue moving upwards. And then price then dropped sharply from this particular level. There was a breakout. I think we were able to take this signal in that free group. Then when price came to this particular level, it then started to consolidate, but it's consolidating with a range. So if you're going to be selling here, we can see that there's this bullish channel. This is how I like trading booming crash. It's very, very simple. Okay, what I've discovered is this: trading is complicated. Don't try to complicate and try to look for things that you do not understand. Just look for the obvious. This is something that is obvious. So what are you going to do in Crash 500? We can see there's this bullish channel that we see. There's this bullish channel. So but I'm anticipating that price will eventually break from this consolidation, but the breakout is going to take part from this lower trend line. That's what I'm anticipating, and price will then continue moving downwards. That's what I'm thinking here in crash 500. But the best signal is going to come when price comes to this particular level, and we can see on that particular level, what do we have? There's also an order block here. If you look at this particular level here, sorry, at this level, we also have an order block. So I want price to come to this level. When price comes to that particular level, this is the level, you then look for selling opportunity. So we have an order block at that particular level, this 1 hour order block. So let me just make it look nice with this order block. Okay, let me just do this. What do you think about videos that will be teaching people how to use MetaTrader 5? I'm telling you, there's a lot that people do not know about MT5, and also how you can use TradeView for your analysis, because I'm telling you, the analysis that you get from TradeView compared to MT5 is totally different. It's totally different. You'll be able to draw nice and proper set diagrams if you're using TradeView. It looks professional. It looks nice. It's easy. Okay, basically, it's very easy to draw using TradeView. So what do you think about videos on those topics? How to use TradeView, derivative TradeView, and also how to use MT5 to trade and what. There are a lot of things that people do not know about, especially if you're a beginner trader, or maybe you've been trading, but there are a lot of secrets that are there that can actually help you guys. What do you think about those videos? So we have a bearish order block here. We have a bearish order block right here. So we want price to move up, and then this is also aligning with the trend line that we have at this particular level. We have a bearish order block. So what I want is this. I want price to move up and reach this particular order block, but not so I'm anticipating that price can reverse at that particular order block, but so your stop loss is just gonna be above this previous low somewhere here. If you're gonna be taking that trade, your stop loss is just gonna be somewhere here. Wait for price to reach this particular level, and then when price reaches that level, so your TP is gonna be on this particular level. We want to go short, we want to sell here. So my stop loss is gonna be above this level, then my entry is there, then my take profit is gonna be here. So I'm gonna wait. With crash 500, it's a waiting game. You just have to wait for price to move upwards. You're not going to lose anything. Patiently wait for price to move upwards, and it reaches this order block. When it reaches this order block, you're gonna take your position, start selling at this bearish order block. The price is gonna be 34.32. You'll be placing sell limits from there, from 34.32 to 34.40. So that's another signal here. So our stop loss is gonna be at there, and our take profit is gonna be here. So if you're going to be trading crash 1000, okay, I have a template. Where's the template? Where's the template? Where is the template? Where is the this template? Okay, this one. Okay, I want to use this template. Copy text. So what I'm saying is this: in crash, come on, why is it's not pasting? Did I copy it? Maybe I didn't copy it. Why is it this? I can't copy this. Come on, why is that I can't copy this? Okay, it's fine. Let's just use, so crash 500 sell signal. So we're gonna make use of sell limits. We'll make use of sell limits, and the first one is gonna be at 34.40. Let me go back. 34.42. So we'll place it at 34 here. 34.32. Okay, I wanna be precise here. 34.32, that's the first. 34.32. Then we'll place 3 sell limits. Then the next one is gonna be 34.1 at the middle. 34.37. 34.37. Then 34. The next one is gonna be here, 34.40. That will be our last sell limit, 34.40. So then our A sell is gonna be, slightly above this level. 34.55. 34.55 is our A sell. 34.55. Then our TP, the last TP is gonna be here. Okay, our TP is gonna be here, which is gonna be what? Where are we gonna place our TP? Let me go on the 30-minute time frame. Maybe I can find something. Okay, we'll place it here. 3360. 3360. That is 3360. Okay, so that's our TP. These are TP. TP is gonna be 34.6. So that's the signal in crash. Okay, we are using the 1 hour time frame, or not 1 minute. So this is what I'm seeing in crash. Let me just make this one darker. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. So with me, I combine smart money concept and price action, because honestly telling you guys, this thing is work. It's not like you're saying price action works, this one works, this one doesn't work. No, these things, they work perfectly. So this is our plan in crash 1000. So for today's video, I think we're done. Yeah, that's what I do. Yes, they set up. They look similar. The setup they look similar. Gary's saying the same thing to Booming Crash, where we are using these chart pattern and also confirmation from order blocks. Basically, that's what I'm doing. I combine smart money concept and price action. The fusion is very nice, and I also use what that's spike strategy number 2. If you haven't watched my spike strategy series, go and watch it. If you are someone who enjoys catching spikes in Booming Crash, there's a series which I did on price on spike on how to catch on how to trade Booming Crash. You are using the spike strategy. So there's a series. There's part 1, there's part 2. So in part 2 I explained how I trade using these moving averages. So part 3 is coming up very soon. It's just that if I find time, I will load it. I will upload it on this channel. But we are also still waiting for the second video. The first video did very well. I think it reached 200 views and there are about 200 comments, which is very good. So we are also waiting for that second video that we did recently. I think about just before Christmas, for it to reach 200 likes and also 200 comments. When it reaches that, then I'll start working on then I'll release part 3. So we're still waiting for part 2 to reach that particular level. Then we can now start thinking about part 3. Then it will be the last part that we'll look at. So after our spike series, what do you think, guys, we should look at? I was given a suggestion on how to do some tutorials on how to use TradeView and also some hidden secrets on MT5. There was a suggestion, there was a comment that came. Do you think it's worth it's a video that you guys might be interested in, or we should continue with something else? We also have some new volatility strategies. We have also some amazing and also some scalping strategy, a lot of scalping strategies that we haven't released. So if you're interested in joining our VIP group, where I'll be sharing step index, volatility, Booming Crash, and also jump indices signals, you're also free to join. It's $15 a week, and then for a month it's $50. So we had a special on our products, the Booming Crash EAs and also volatility EAs and also spike detector. We have an amazing spike detector that we have, and also scalping indicator. So these products were on special during the Christmas holiday. The next special is gonna come probably end of March. That's when we're going to be having March or April. I'm not sure where Easter is. That's where we're gonna be having our next special. I think probably we'll look. So this week we're not gonna be looking. I think Gary is saying we should look at volatility 75. So this week we're not gonna be looking at volatility 75. We'll be focusing on only boom and crash. Probably next week we'll start looking at volatility indices and also jump, maybe probably step. We'll be then looking at that. So the special is over. If you're also interested in Booming Crash EAs and also spike detectors and indicators, we have a lot of indicators that we have on this channel. You are also free to join. My contact details are there in the description. You can also join this. So this was a live session. Thank you guys for your time. I hope the information that I shared with you was very, very helpful and will help you to be profitable in your trading journey. So it's bye bye for now.